Have you been searching for the perfect sedan with safety and reliability without breaking the bank? We'll take a look at this 2022 Honda Civic Sport in Rally Red. With LED headlamps, electronic stability control, 18-inch aluminum wheels, power heated mirrors, shark fin antenna, LED tail lamps, front bucket seating, steering wheel mounted audio controls, only 4,000 miles on the odometer, 8-inch touchscreen, rear backup camera, Apple CarPlay and Google Android Auto, drive modes, split folding rear seats, 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine, and so much more. For additional details or to schedule a test drive, visit us at MarinoCJD.com, stock number 8830A.
With Honda certified pre-owned vehicles, you know you're going to be taken care of. Thorough inspections, both limited and powertrain warranties, all provide the comfort you're looking for in a pre-owned vehicle. Stop by your local Honda dealer today to see why the Honda certified program is worth looking into.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.